Dream life method is a special kind of structured narrative. It's a 3-step narrative. First step is to verbalize the 3 coordinates, location, activity, and encounter. As part of the process, we use a structured format. The location is, and then you fill in the blank. The activity is, and then you fill in the blank. And then I am having an encounter with, fill in the blank. That's the first step, just giving the coordinates. The second step in the narrative is to establish a scene. The scene is described, the idea being to help others tune in to what you're referring to. For example, if you say that the location is a motel, well, that tells us the location, but in describing the scene, if it's a desert motel, if it's a Motel 6 in an abandoned part of town, or if it's a motel that's on the Strip in Reno or Vegas, by describing it, you help us differentiate so that we're basically on the same page with you. Time of day sometimes help. Is it dark? Is it light? Is it warm? Is it cold? It depends on what is pertinent to your description. All of the senses are available. And then in the third step, we tell the story. Throughout the setting of the scene and telling the story, we work with first person present. Instead of, I was at a motel, it is, I am standing in front of a motel, blah, blah, blah. It's all first person, as if you're there right now. And then the listener is there as well. Coordinates are drawn randomly from 3 tables. Now, those tables are either your tables or tables that kind of a generic set of 20 items on each table. But they're gathered randomly, which has the effect of making it exceedingly rare that the actual coordinates correspond to a dream that you've had. There's a lot of reasons for doing it this way. One of the main reasons is that it gives randomity an opportunity to help us dig into an area that we might not normally dig into. It gets pushed in our direction a little bit. I can say for myself, with extremely rare exceptions, the combination of location, activity, and encounter is something that I don't recall ever experiencing in a dream. However, when I recount the dream, it feels like, yeah, that was a dream. Even though I don't remember it as being a dream, the way it comes through for me is that it's a very valid capture